Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting CryptoNodes. Today we'll explain this project, its white paper and its Discord channel. Learn how to buy some tokens and create nodes and analyze the return of the investment. So let's get started. By the way, remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own researches always before investing on this project or others. Well, as it is mentioned here, CryptoNodes is a new protocol using nodes technology, NFT algorithm, and their combination, which is designed to acquire stable financial freedom with passive income. It works on the Avalanche network. So first of all, it is very important that you change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the Avalanche one to operate with the CRND token. Well, the mechanism to join CryptoNodes is very simple, only 3 easy steps to join. You just have to buy the tokens here to create the CryptoNodes, small or big nodes as we will see later, and start earning, claiming your passive income. So first of all, how to buy the token? It is very simple. We just have to click in the button and we access to Pangolin trade platform. Then here we have to approve the contract. Just clicking here, I understand, and then accept. And finally, we are here and we are able, once that we connect our MetaMask or our Trust wallet, to swap AVAX in our case, or other tokens that we have previously bought in platforms such as Binance, to these CRND tokens, and that's all. On this occasion, we are going to buy tokens to create 3 small nodes. As an example, 30 tokens are around 0.21 AVAX with the current price, and we just have to click the swap button and then approve the gas fee in our MetaMask and then confirm the transaction. This is pretty easy. As we can see in this chart, if we go here, the current price is around $0.484 and it was launched the 24th of April. So it has done a slow but steady rise. There is not too much daily volume, to be honest, yet, since they have started now to invest in powerful new advertising campaigns. So it is a good opportunity to create crypto nodes, because in the near future a sharp increase in the price of the token is expected. So let's see how to create nodes. Once we are back in the main side, we are here and we just have to click this button to create nodes, and there is an interface like this one where you can swap 10 tokens to create a small node. So basically you just have to set here the amount that you want to create. For instance, 1 small node. As you can see here, you just need to swap 10 tokens. On this occasion, we are going to create 3 small tokens, since we've got 30 tokens. So we just have to write here 3, and then we are going to spend 30 tokens to obtain these 3 small nodes. So basically we just have to click on here to swap, and then we have to approve the small fees. So it is important that you've got some AVAX in your wallet to pay these fees, and then we just have to confirm. And once that we confirm, the transaction is in progress and we will create our small nodes. Back again in the main side, we can click here and we are going to be redirected to the dashboard. And here we can see that we have created these 3 small nodes and we can claim our rewards. And we've got here some figures related to our daily rewards, our monthly rewards, and so on. In the same bind here, I just want to explain how to create a big node. Basically, it is pretty similar than creating small nodes. What you have to do is to set here an amount. For instance, to create 1 big node, you just need 25 small nodes and then an extra amount of 30 tokens. That is 250 tokens plus 30 tokens. So it is a total amount of 280 tokens, which is around $130 with this bargain price of the token right now. And in the same bind, you just have to swap here, and you will receive your big node, and this will be placed in the dashboard. Okay, and finally we can buy also NFTs, and with these unique NFTs the owner receives a 25% increase of the total income that comes from the crypto nodes. There are only 235 left, and its price is 7 AVAX. Now, how much we can earn with these nodes? Well, let's analyze the white paper and do some simulations to understand it. As they mention here in the CryptoNodes system, one small node generates 0.15 CRND tokens daily. That means that we will recover our initial investment in more or less 66 days if the price of the token is stable. However, as we have explained before, it is quite probable that the price of the token is likely to skyrocket in the next few days after massive publicity for the project. So if the price goes to $2, for instance, we will need only 16 days to recover our initial investment, or less if we've got an NFT, because we win an extra 25% every day. And in the case of a big node in the same bind, we will receive CRND tokens daily. That means that we will recover our initial investment in more or less 46 days if the price of the token is stable. But if it goes to $2, as in the previous example, we will recover our initial investment in less than 12 days, which is amazing. Right now, the price of a big node is around $130, as we have mentioned before. So with the price in $2, we will receive daily more than $11 or more than $13 daily with an NFT, with this extra 25%. Okay, another important section to analyze in this white paper are the tokenomics, where you can find figures related to the token supply. Another important section as investors is the tax system, the trading fees, and as it is mentioned here, there is a 5% when buying and final 8% when selling after 10 days after the launch, so it will be pretty soon. Besides, the transfer tax remains the same as the selling tax. The NFT resale tax is 20%, and the claim tax is 10%. And finally, here I would like to point out some of the important links here. Apart from the contract, you can also find the multi-sig wallet, which is very important since it means that 2 or more users are needed to authorize any kind of crypto transaction with this project. Or you can also find the KYC or the audit contracts, which have been done by Soken, among other important links, such as the Discord channel that we are going to visit right now. So here in the Discord, we can find that there are more than 4,200 members, also more than 120 early supporters, that the NFT sale is live. They were launched the 24th, as we have mentioned. They've been audited and KYC by Soken. Here are some rules of behavior project. Here also the welcome to the new users, and here the most important thing, the announcements, so related to the liquidity, and also related to the new advertising campaigns, for instance, that are coming pretty soon. You can also find here the links that we have mentioned before in the white paper, and also some frequently asked questions, and also the info related to the audits, and other information related to the social media. And here the community, where is the general chat here, and also the off-topic chat, the giveaways, suggestions, some information related to the YouTube channel, and finally here international channels where you can chat with your native language. So in conclusion, to sum up, this is a very interesting project with a nice interface, And here is all pretty well explained. And this is a very interesting project to bear in mind and to have in our portfolio. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.